YouTube and welcome back to another vlog. And as you would have seen, we have gone from Flagstaff Hill right through to the Adelaide CBD. We are staying at the Adelaide Oval Hotel, part of the Great State Voucher campaign that the SA government is doing, where you can stay in and around Adelaide and around South Australia. So we are staying at the Adelaide Oval Hotel, as I said. And this is our second time staying here, so we thought a great location to come up and stay for one night. So here we are. We are going to head off across to the city shortly to see this Immersion exhibit that's going on currently in Light Square, where it's narrated by Eric Thompson, and it goes through South Australia when it was back when it first began or whatever, and then right through to today. Not too sure about it, I saw it on the news, so we'll check it out and you'll see it as well. So we made the long walk over to Light Square for Immersion, which only went for about half an hour. I thought it was going to be a bit longer than that. And also went to the Oz Asia Festival across the road. Tonight we're going to dinner at somewhere in North Adelaide. And a lot of walking today though. So we're going back to the hotel room and just going to relax for a bit. So I'll give you a quick tour of the room here at Adelaide Oval. We're staying at the Parklands View Suite, which is where we stayed last time, except we were on the foyer floor. We're actually on level 5 this time. So I'll give you a quick guided tour of the room. Okay, so you're just seeing the bathroom, pretty cool, and we got Kazz on the bed there just relaxing, a nice little mini bar area, some sort of a wardrobe. We've got like an iPad here which you can sort of order all sorts of stuff. It's all interactive lighting. In fact, when you walk in the door for the first time, the curtains open and everything turns on, which is really cool. And TV, a big bed, a little table here, and a view. And the curtains are all electronic and stuff as well, so that's really cool. So I just discovered that the restaurant that we were going to go to tonight, which we went to in April when we stayed here last, it's a Japanese infusion, whatever that new terminology is, but it is closed unfortunately. So we are going to try a room service here tonight. We've already selected what we think we will have in a couple of hours, which can all be done on this iPad. So everything in this room can be controlled on the iPad, such as the curtains, the lighting, and let me demonstrate. So you've got room control, and you can have do not disturb, you can control the lighting, the temperature, the curtains, everything here can be changed. It's even got some other sort of template settings. So I want on all the lights. I want all the lights off, which is currently selected too. I want to work. Who wants to work? I want to relax and I want to sleep, and it's all controlled. I like that. I reckon that's really cool with automation. hope you've enjoyed this vlog of our stay here at the Adelaide Oval Hotel. Thank you so much for watching. We had a really good time. Good sleep last night. The bed's amazing. I want to take it home with me. Look forward to bringing out more content on just that very soon. Take care. Bye bye.